Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are here where we dropped off our van, 2006 E150. So I haven't told you guys, but my van is down.
Aw, man.
And it will be down for the rest of the month of November.
What? Oh, no.
So come with me and check it out. It's all good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and head out to take this to the shop, to our mechanic. Stay tuned. How you doing? So like I said, it's been down. It's under warranty. A couple months back, I brought it in to get one of the heads replaced, and it was faulty. So due to being faulty, it falls under warranty, and we're able to get a repair at no additional cost. So it's been sitting down here for a minute, waiting for the part to get here. It's the process of the warranty. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever been stuck with your hand tied, can't operate your business. It gets frustrating. Sorry, the sun is in my eyes. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this. How could I be more productive when my van is down? Yeah, I could transfer everything to my personal vehicle. But if I do that, the whole breakdown setup time is really killing the operational side of the business. I know it's not a win-win situation. It can't be always a win, but we try to make profit. You can't run a business when you're not being profitable.